Hey everyone! Managing customer engagement manually can feel like a full-time job. Emails, follow-ups, notifications, it never ends. But what if you could automate all of that with just a few clicks? That's where Xoal comes in. Today, we're talking about the Xoal Lifetime Deal, a powerful no-code automation tool that helps you create smart workflows, send targeted messages, and keep your customers engaged effortlessly. If you're running a SaaS, marketing agency, or online business, this tool is built for you. Let's break down how it works and why this deal is too good to pass up. What is Xoal? Xoal is a no-code automation tool that streamlines customer engagement. It helps businesses create workflows, send behavior-based messages, and automate follow-ups effortlessly. With real-time analytics and third-party integrations, Xoal is perfect for SaaS, marketing, and e-commerce. Available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo, it offers powerful automation without monthly fees. Limited-time lifetime deals on AppSumo. Grab yours today. Normally, tools like this cost a fortune monthly. But lucky for you, the Xoal lifetime deal is now live on AppSumo at a massive discount. Let's take a quick peek at the lifetime pricing tiers so you can pick what suits your business. License Tier 1, one-time payment, $49, normally $228. Offering 5,000 contacts, 15,000 emails per month, 150,000 events per month, one workspace. Perfect for small businesses or solo marketers. License Tier 2, one-time payment, $99, normally $456. Offering 15,000 contacts, 45,000 emails per month, 450,000 events per month, 10 workspaces. Ideal for growing teams and marketing agencies. License Tier 3, one-time payment, $199, normally $684. Offering 50,000 contacts, 150,000 emails per month, 1,500,000 events per month, unlimited workspaces, best for large teams and serious automation ninjas. 60-day money-back guarantee included. Try it out risk-free. 5 most important features that make Xoal special. No-code workflow builder. Drag, drop, and done. Build complex workflows with delays, conditions, and branching logic, no developer required. Behavior-based messaging. Trigger emails, notifications, or WhatsApp messages based on exactly what your users are doing. Advanced personalization. Use first-party data to send hyper-personalized content. Name, location, behavior, Xoal personalizes like a charm. Real-time analytics and A/B testing. Track performance with a live dashboard, get AI-powered suggestions, and A/B test your messages to perfection. Third-party integrations. Connect with Zapier, Stripe, Notion, ActiveCampaign, and more, automate across platforms with ease. People who can benefit from Xoal. Digital marketers. Marketing agencies. SaaS founders. E-commerce store owners. Coaches and consultants. Freelancers. Event organizers. Unveil a 10% bonus deal on AppSumo today. Wait, hold up. Want an extra 10% off this already amazing deal? Here's how to snag more savings on the Xoal lifetime deal. How to grab this deal. Visit AppSumo's Xoal lifetime deal page. Wait for the little pop-up bar to show. Enter your email address. Stick with the same email during checkout. Check your inbox for a 10% OFF coupon code. Boom! More automation for even less. Are you still waiting? Don't miss out. Turn your chaos into control, ditch the manual follow-ups, and let Xoal run the show behind the scenes. Check out the link in the description, explore the features, and grab your Xoal lifetime deal before it's too late. Support the hustle, hit like, click share, and join the squad by subscribing for more smart tech finds. Catch you in the next video.